Welcome back to everyone. In this video, I will guide you how to connect it without internet on Motorola G37 power. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and volume up button at the time and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and click on reset option. If you want to fix this problem, click on reset network setting, enter phone pin, click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, the last solution is turn off do not disturb. Go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on sound and vibration, click on do not disturb and turn off do not disturb. After turn off do not disturb, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, again click on settings app and click on system and update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not, let's update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.